Hello guys. So today we will say this question. Question number 3. Draw following views. First, elevation in the direction of arrow X. So front view along this direction. Then section plane, section along AB. Section plan, section along AB. So top view and section plan will be along section AB along this plane. So if we cut object around along this plane, then what will be section that we have to draw, and then sectional end view, section along CD. So there is only on this direction for end view, that is side view. So this direction is for LHSV, so we have to draw sectional LHSV along CD. So if we cut object along this plane along CD, then this remaining portion we have to draw. So now we will calculate the dimensions, that is dimension for front view, top view and LHSV. So in front view, this dimension is totally 80 plus 55, that is 135 mm. So from this space we have taken 135, then drawn this vertical line, then again drawn one vertical line at 1 centimeter. Okay, then again we have drawn total 3 vertical lines. So this distance is 135 mm. Then for sectional side view, this distance is 40 plus 22, that is 62. So from this, now sectional side view, LHSV is on right side, right? If in question LHSV is asked, then we will draw front view on left side, and on right side we will draw left hand side view, that is LHSV. Then top view we will draw top view on bottom of front view. So for front view we require 135 mm by height of this object is 76 mm. Then for LHSV we require 62 is width and height is 76. Then in for top view we require 135 length and 62 height. So according to this dimension we will draw this vertical line and horizontal line. So at 7.6 distance we will draw this horizontal line parallel to border, horizontal border. Then so this is the basic outline. This is the outline for our question. For front view, 135 by 76, 135 length and 76 height. LHSV 62 length, 76 height. Top view 135 length, 62 height. Then LHSV is drawn on right side of upper right side. Front view on left side, upper left side, and top view below front view. Then in empty quadrant we have drawn 45-degree line. Now we will draw elevation, that is front view along arrow X. So this is the starting point of front view area, and here if we look this object from this direction, then the corner point the corner point which is not visible in this diagram is a starting point. So first we will draw a rectangle of 80 by height 76 from this point. This is 80 by 76, 80 by 76, 80. Then this distance is 76, total height is 76, and this distance is 36 plus 8 plus 8, that is 52. So 76 minus 52, that is 24 upon 2 will be this distance. So 12 and 12 on both sides. So 12 mm, and from this point 12 mm. Then up to left side, this is a horizontal line. Now from this side we have drawn 40 mm. Okay, it is given in question. Drawn vertical center line and horizontal center line. Then from this intersecting center point, I will draw circle of diameter, outer circle of diameter 70. So radius is equal to 35 mm. Then, so this is the front view. Then this object has C shape, and this is the direction of front view. So in this plane, right, this plane and this plane will be seen here at 8 mm distance. So from this line below 8 mm and above 8 mm we will draw a line and draw dotted line because this plane is hidden. Now we will draw top view. From front view we will take vertical projections, projection of vertical line, so in question sectional plan, sectional top view is asked, section along section AB. So this is section AB. Now if we cut object along this plane, then this lower portion is visible. We remove upper portion and only lower portion is visible, and the material which is cut, we will show this material by, we will show this shape or diagram by hatching. So first we will see this rectangle, right? So if we cut this object, we will see this side, right? And at the bottom we will see this face also. So we will draw first this shape, rectangle and rectangle. It has a width of 40 from this point. So from this point, this is starting point of top view, we will take 40 mm and draw horizontal line. So these are the two rectangles. This one is first and this one is second. Okay. Now this part, this 15 mm width is from 40 distance. So from this distance we will take 15 mm and draw horizontal line. So this part where material is cut, and this part is this rectangle is this is shape. Okay, and this part, this rectangle is not visible here, it is on lower side of this rectangle. So now we will show hatching here. So this is hatching part. Then we will draw this rectangle. And so this is a cylindrical part, right? So in top view we will see only rectangle. In projection this cylinder will be seen as a rectangle of 20 by 70. And now inside of this cylinder, this part of width is given. So if outer circle is 70, inner circle is 50, that is middle circle is 50, then in between there is a 10 mm gap, right? 10 mm width. So this part has a 10 mm width, and if we look this cylinder from top direction, then we will this material is not here, right? At 50 mm diameter this cylinder is removed. So we will in top view we will see only this part. So after being cut along section AB, we will see only this part. So now the projection of this point is here. So this part is also come under hatching. Then from this surface, from this front surface, there is a 10 mm gap, right? And the material of 50 mm diameter is removed up to 10 mm. Okay, total width is 22, but up to only 10 mm the material is removed. So from this point we will take 10 mm and draw this line, and here this small circle is also on this surface. So in this circular area there is material removed. This material is removed. So I will erase this part and also erase this part. Then I will add hatching to this area. This is top view. Now see here, at 50 mm, 55 mm the plane is changing, right? Also at this bottom at 55 mm the plane is changing. So I will draw this line as a dark. So this is a complete top view, sectional top view. Now we will draw sectional left hand side view. So for that we will take projection of top view in LHSV and projection of front view in LHSV. We will take only important projection, not all projection. So now LHS will start from this point. LHS start from this point. So first we will see. So it is a sectional end view. Sectional LHSV, section along CD. So along CD we will cut this 3D object, and so we will not able to see this small c. Okay, right? Only we will see this 8 plus 12, 20 mm width. Okay, this is 12, right? This part is 12, this height is 12. So 12 plus 8, we will see 20 depth here, then 36, then 36 and then 12. So from this line, okay, from this line, this is 12, right? This is 12 and this is 8. So we will see 2 centimeter part, and also from bottom side we will see 2 centimeter part up to here. Then this width is 40, so up to 40 means up to this line. Up to this line, right? Make sure that this angle is 45 degree. This angle is exactly 45 degree, not 46 or 44 degree, exactly 45 degree. Then and then only this distance 4 centimeter or any vertical distance in top view will be equal to that respective horizontal distance. Okay, so now this is a C part. So this is C part, then this is cylindrical part. Now this cylindrical part from LHSV, from left hand side view, this cylinder will look like a rectangle of 22 and 70 height and 22 width, and inside of this cylinder there is a 10 mm, inside 10 mm gap there is again small cylinder. So in LHSV we will only see this width, 10 mm width, and also this is a hidden. So we will draw from this inner circle, from this point we will draw dashed line up to 10 mm, up to 10 mm. So from this point inside 10 mm. So this is LHSP part. This is outer cylinder. Then this is inner cylinder material removed. This is small cylinder material removed. Okay. Now we have to remove this line, this vertical line, because when we take section along section plane CD, then if we cut this part along section CD, then these rectangular plate and cylindrical section is joined together, right? So this will look like this. After taking section, this part will look like this. Now we will make it we will draw hatching on this part. So after cutting this part, this is not hidden, right? This will be not remain hidden, it will be visible, and this part is also visible. So I am again drawing a regular line over this dash dotted line. So this will be our exact sectional left hand side view. Now this part is this part, okay, and this semicircle will be here in left hand side view, will look like a regular line, regular vertical line. Now we will draw dimensions. So this is a diagram with dimension. Thank you.